Dear learners, Zalif. Zalif is bay. Bengalski Zalif, Bay of Bengal. Arabiske More. Arabian Sea. Injiski Ocean. Indian Ocean. Demokraticheskaya Respublika. Democratic Republic. Now I will discuss name of some Indian cities. Delhi, Delhi, Mumbai, Mumbai, Kolkata, Kolkata, Chennai, Chennai, Jamshedpur, Jamshedpur, Bokaro, Bokaro, Kanpur, Kanpur, Vishakhapatnam, Vishakhapatnam, Bhilai, Bhilai, Rishikesh, Rishikesh, Haridwar, Haridwar. Here you can see that how Indian names of Indian cities can be written in Russian. Now I am discussing name of the countries. Please pay attention how they are, how we can write them in Russian. Pakistan, Pakistan. Kitai, Kitai is China. Tibet, Tibet. Nepal, Nepal. Bhutan, Bhutan. Bangladesh, Bangladesh. Myanmar, Myanmar. Sri Lanka is Sri Lanka. So dear learners, in this text, you will come across to the concept of superlative degree. What is superlative degree? The superlative degree is formed by the addition of the word Sami to the adjective. In this text, you will see word Sami changes like an adjective. India samaya balshaya в мире демократическая страна. India is the world's largest democratic country. Это самое трудное упражнение. This is the hardest exercise. By adding the word Sami, we are changing into the superlative degree. Hard is changing into hardest. Трудное упражнение. Now we will discuss conjugation of some verbs. Nakhajitsya. The first verb is nakhajitsya. Though I have already discussed in the previous module, but once again I am revising it here. Nakhajitsya means to be situated or to be located, and it answers to the question Gidje. Nakhajitsya. This verb is conjugated only in third person singular and plural. So now I am conjugating in the present. On, ana, ano, naho, jitsya. He, she or it is, he or she will be replaced by it, because we generally use for inanimate noun. It is situated or it is located. Ani, naho, jitsya we use for the plural. They are situated for the plural. We will also conjugate this verb in past. On naho Balshaya, Bolshoi adjective is taking feminine gender ending. India очень большая страна. India is a very big country. Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai – это самые большие города в нашей стране. Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai – these are the largest city in our country. Sami, by adding Sami, we are making superlative degree. Samiye Balshiye. And Gorad is changing into Garada. Please pay attention here. Stress is also shifting from the O to the last vowel A. Garada for the plural. Это самые большие города в нашей стране, где prepositional case. В нашей стране. Prepositional case is used with feminine gender endings. So, Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai, these are the largest cities in our country. Delhi, Sami Balshoi Injiski Gorad. Please pay attention. India, and from the word India, we are making adjective Injiski. Delhi, Sami Balshoi Injiski Gorad. Delhi is the largest Indian city. Kolkata, Mumbai, Jamshedpur, Bokaro, Kanpur, Krupniye Pramishlinie Garada. In this sentence, we are using nominative case with plural endings. So, Kolkata, Mumbai, Jamshedpur, Bokaro, Kanpur are the major industrial cities. Pramishlenast is industry. Pramishlenast is a feminine gender noun, and from there we have derived this adjective Pramishlenny, and here we are using in plural form. Krupniye, Pramishlenniye, Garada. Major industrial cities. Bokaro находится metallurgicheский завод. There is an iron and steel plant in Bokaro. Nakhojitsa Gijev, Bokaro. But Bokaro, here we are not changing the ending or O, because O does not, we do not have these kind of endings in Russian language. So we do not change Bokaro in prepositional or in other case. It will remain same. There is an iron and steel plant in Bokaro. व विशाखापट्टनम में тоже находится металлургический завод. But see, the word Visakhapatnam is changing into masculine gender form for the prepositional case. There is also an iron and steel plant in Visakhapatnam. На этих заводах работают российские специалисты, инженеры, конструкторы и другие. На этих заводах. Here we are using prepositional case or very fast. India imiet Balshaya, we are making superlative degree. So it is the largest democracy in the world. Gije fmire. Prepositional case mir. In prepositional case fmire. It is the largest democracy in the world. Mi ljubim našu rodinu. Ljubit što? Mi ljubim našu rodinu. Nasha rodina in accusative case is changing into našu rodinu because rodina is a feminine gender noun. So it is changing like mi ljubim našu rodinu. We love our motherland. Dear learners, now based on the text we will discuss some questions just to check whether you understood the text or not? The first question is Gdzie nachodится India? And in English it is translated as where is India situated? India nachodится Vazi. Please pay attention, preposition we read together. So Vazi we don't read like that, Vazi together. India is situated in Asia. Next question is Какие самые большие города в нашей стране? What are the biggest cities in our country? Самые большие города. Nominative, plural. Город, города. Stress is also changing. Город, the stress is on the first O. But in plural, города. Stress is shifting to the last vowel A. В нашей стране, prepositional, где. What are the biggest cities in our country? Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai. Это самые большие города в нашей стране. Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai are the biggest cities in our country. Third question is Какие крупные промышленные города находятся в Индии? What are the major industrial cities of India? Kolkata, Mumbai, Jamshedpur, Bokaro, Kanpur. Они крупные промышленные города Индии. Kolkata, Mumbai, Jamshedpur, Bokaro, Kanpur are the major industrial cities of India. The fourth question is Где находятся металлургические заводы? Metallurgicheskие заводы, in plural we are using as this word combination. So the verb is also nachoditsia is also used in the plural form. Where are iron and steel plants located? Metallurgicheskие заводы находятся в Bokaro и Bhilai. Iron and steel plants are located in Bokaro and Bhilai. Fifth question is Где раньше работали советские специалисты? Where did Soviet specialists work earlier? Раньше советские специалисты работали еще на других заводах и фабриках в Bhilai, Rishikesh и Haridwar. Earlier, Soviet specialists worked in other factories like Bhilai, Rishikesh and Haridwar. So the sixth question is Что находится на севере, востоке, западе и на юге Индии? На севере находятся самые высокие горы Гималай, на востоке Бенгальский залив, на западе Аравийское море, на юге Индийский океан. The highest mountains of the world, Himalayas, are located in the north. The Bay of Bengal is in the east. The Arabian Sea is in the west. And the Indian Ocean is in the south. Какие наши соседние страны? Или назовите наши соседние страны. What are our neighboring countries? Наши соседние страны Pakistan, Kitai, Nepal, Bhutan, Kitai, Bangladesh и Myanmar и Sri Lanka. Our neighboring countries are Pakistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Myanmar and